Welcome back to Island Life Live. Since 1942, Chun Noodle Factory has been serving up local favorites made from scratch, earning generations of loyal customers along the way.
Including us. Yep, joining us now from Chun Noodle Factory are Elliot Chun, he is our president, and Cheyenne Sadlucap. Yes.
Welcome back, you guys.
Our retail manager. Yes, thank you so much for bringing back our favorites.
Of course.
Our favorites. It's all our favorites. But for more than anything, congratulations
thank you so
on being
much.
named the best of Hawaii for Manapua and dim sum, and of course one of the best for Hawaii's fried noodles. What does that mean for you folks, Elliot?
First of all, we're just so grateful to everybody who voted. It's extremely humbling, but much appreciated. But yeah, it means a lot. We put a lot of effort into the production of our products, and we've been doing it for years. So it really does mean a lot when we get the recognition.
Oh, Grandpa must be proud, huh?
I hope so, yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Now, Elliot, give us, speaking of Grandpa, give us a little bit of the backstory of Chun Wakam.
So my grandfather, his name was Wakam Chun, so he just put the last name first.
Yes.
He immigrated to Hawaii and just started learning the noodle trade. And in 1942, he decided to open up his own restaurant, now Chun Wakam. And we've just been going ever since.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Sister, don't hide. Don't hide. No. We're going to come.
There
you go.
We're showing
Thank you.
some of the facilities. In fact, we got one that we heard that there's going to be a bigger facility coming up on the west side. We'll talk about that.
Yes.
But before we do that,
Everybody knows, family, that you folks specialize in local favorites like the manapua, the pork hash, the gauji, the plate lunch. But Chun Wakam also caters, yeah, Shan?
Yes, we do.
Tell us about that.
Okay, so at all 4 locations, we cater. We do online ordering as well. We do it for events, special events, birthdays, first birthdays, all of those things. So
And how soon should I call in my order before my event?
sooner the better,
Yeah.
but a few days just to make sure we have everything in stock.
okay, very cool.
Perfect.
You heard my stomach grumbling over here.
I know.
Let's try something over here. Actually, you know what? One of my favorites, Elliot, for what kind, is that cold ginger chicken fried rice.
Thank you.
Who made that up?
That was me.
No way.
Yeah,
For real, Elliot?
yeah, back in the day.
Wow.
Oh, you're too kind.
Thank you. I'm crying now. I had to give him a big hug. No, for real. This is one of our favorites.
I appreciate that.
I usually go over to the one by Alamona.
Oh, yeah.
And I put the sweet sour spare rib on top. Oh, that is,
Yes, sir.
and the bowl is so heavy with that. And
Generous.
You guys are so generous over at Chun Wakam.
What made you put together these flavors?
I just knew that everyone likes ginger sauce with white rice, and so I figured why not just put them together? And next thing you know, we came up with this, and it's been going very well ever since.
Absolute
Oh,
hit,
yes.
for sure. And Cheyenne, do you know every single dot on this?
Sure do.
Tell us about some of the flavors that inside here. Because we have blue dot, we have red dot, we have green X's and stuff like that.
So we have our sweet potato in there. We have our lapchang, honey garlic chicken. We have custard, some sweet ones, cream cheese. All very good.
Beautiful. So you have the traditional and then you have the fun.
Yes.
The fun, right?
Which one is the custard one?
The 3 red dots.
The 3, oh, okay, I'm gonna try that one.
Okay, you try that one. Should I
Which
ask
one you
them the
gonna try?
next question?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, sounds good. You keep grinding, brother. All right, now we heard through the grapevine, family, that you folks have something really big coming up, and it's gonna be kind of starting this summer, right?
Yeah, so at the end of July, we're gonna be opening a brand new production facility. It's gonna be about 18,000 square feet or so. And it's really just going to allow us to centralize our operations, be more consistent, more efficient, really just allow the company to level up.
I love that.
And it's going to open up some opportunities for us to expand to the neighbor islands, which is something we've been wanting to do for a long time.
That is so beautiful because I have to walk on that plane with
yeah.
that big orange bag when I'm visiting my ohana on the neighbor islands, and I get the look from everybody on the plane, right?
Especially the flight attendants are like, wow, what do you want?
I always make sure I grab for them.
Yeah.
Very nice of you.
Okay, so it's 18,000 square feet. You're going to be able to make millions of pork hash.
We're hoping so. That's the idea, yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Right
That's
on.
wonderful. But you don't have to wait until this summer when they open up their 18,000 square foot new facility. Please make sure you go and check out all your Chun Wakams in your communities. We got Ala Moana, we got Waimalu. Where else we got?
Kapolei.
Kapolei,
And
yes.
of course in Kalihi.
Oh, yeah. Right before you go to the airport. Boom, that's the stop.
That is perfect. Elliot Chun, Cheyenne Sadlucap, this is our team and the rest of their ohana. Thank you so much for being the best of Hawaii. ChunWakam.com.
All right.